In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Shopify Woodstock theme OS 2.0. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for Online Store and click it. At the top, you'll see your current live theme, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll find your theme library. Locate the Woodstock theme there, whether it's already your current theme or still in the library. On the right side of the Woodstock theme, click the option to edit the theme. This will open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a live preview of your store on the right, and on the left, a list of sections and blocks that make up that page. To rearrange any section or block, hover over it, then click and drag it up or down to where you want it. If you want to delete a section or block, hover over it until you see a trash icon on the right and click that. If you prefer to hide something without deleting it, hover again and click the eye icon. Clicking the eye icon a second time will unhide it. Some sections contain blocks inside them. To see these blocks, click the small right-pointing arrow next to the section name. That will expand the section so you can see all its blocks, as well as an Add Block button. Click Add Block to choose from the available block types that can be added to that specific section. You can also add entirely new sections. Click Add Section, then choose from the list of sections that appear. Keep in mind that the section options may change depending on whether you're working in the header, the main template area, or the footer. To customize the settings of any section or block, simply click on it. For example, in a shoppable reel section, you might be able to change the heading, subheading, heading size, number of columns on desktop, swipe behavior on desktop, section size, pop-up options and position, box layout, color scheme, product card style, mobile layout, padding, and sometimes even add custom CSS. Each section and block will have its own unique set of options. If you want to make changes that affect the whole theme, look at the far left sidebar near the top for a gear icon labeled Theme Settings. Here you can adjust global colors, typography, layout, page heading banners, breadcrumbs, product options, product cards, product rating data, pre-order text, product compare settings, and more. Scroll through this panel to explore all the theme-wide controls. To edit a different page, go to the top of the editor and find the page selector, which is usually set to homepage by default. Click it, and a drop-down will appear with other templates, such as products. For example, you can choose the default product template to customize how your product pages look. Once you choose a different template, the preview on the right will switch to that page, while the sections and blocks for that template will still be listed on the left for you to edit in the same way. After you've finished customizing, don't forget to save your work. Look at the top right of the editor and click Save. This will apply all your changes to the theme.